I've had people who I haven't seen in years come up to me and go, oh my gosh, because it has really changed everything. And it's changed me. There's more to having bad teeth than just the cosmetics of bad teeth. There is the fact that people downgrade your IQ immediately. I was given tetracycline as a baby. So before my baby teeth even erupted, they were yellow, and so was my grown-up teeth. When they came through, they were yellow, and I always felt like my teeth were dirty. I remember trying all kinds of things like household cleaners to try to whiten my teeth when I was a little kid. I have a lifetime of closed mouth smiles, which look more like grimaces. I was from East Texas, so I had an accent and I had funny teeth. So people just automatically assume things about me that weren't quite true. They think you're stupid. They really do. I mean, or they think you're dirty, that you don't have the good sense to clean your teeth, or that you don't have the money for dental maintenance. And then about 3 years ago, I was diagnosed with a brain tumor. It's not cancer, it's not a big deal, but it requires medicines to keep me from having a really devastating migraines, and those give me dry mouth. And all of a sudden, these yellow teeth that I hated so much were just simply cracking off. I had been reading about implants for years and watching the changes in the procedures, and so when I did go to Dr. Bean, I knew exactly what I wanted. And then, down to what I wanted them to look like and everything. Having the procedure was not that difficult. It changed my life immediately. And that's something I like about Dr. Bean. He takes his time. I'd never been an open mouth smiler, or if I did, if I laughed, I did this. Because that's what I was too self-conscious. I still ever so often catch myself doing it. Nope, don't have to. It's very difficult with public speaking because there's how you look and what you've got to say. Because sometimes I have good things to say, and I don't want my teeth to be a distraction. At first I was looking and thinking, you guys can't be this nice and happy all the time. What have they got in the water here? But they are. They're consistently and unfailingly professional and polite and fun. I just love the whole experience. It's very personal, it's very real, and they paid attention to every detail. And like I said, we kept refining them until we got exactly what I wanted. Oh, it just changes everything. Changes the trajectory. I kind of feel like the sky's the limit.